I'm Skip Howard. I'm the CEO, founder of Spacee. We create augmented reality experiences without a device. No helmet, no phone, no glasses, nothing, no device needed for the customer. We create two-dimensional and we take two-dimensional and 3D surfaces and we turn them into touch screens. In this example, we have unpowered touch glass. This is a piece of glass that has become a touch screen. There's no power running to it. There's not a capacitive film on this thing, but we turned it into a touch screen. So for example, to turn it on, I just turned it on. And this is actually going to show a video where we turned a Mercedes C300 into a touch screen. So customers in the mall are able to go around and explore the car vehicles. What's really interesting is this sold 3 cars in the first 45 days we launched, right? And we were like, why? And what happens is when you increase the dwell time and people feel the car, they walked into the dealership and said, that one with the lights on it, drive it out, I want to buy that one. That's odd, but that happens. And it continues to happen. But this is what we're doing in Walmart. We're turning giant tables into touch screens. And you're able to walk through and explore products on nothing but plastic. Just computer vision, 100%.